I got it now.
This is nothing like milking a real cow.
Do it
I
again.
actually milked a real cow.
Do it again.
See? Nothing like milking a real cow.
Oh. Look at the horse. Oh, look at the sheep.
My name is Fluffy.
Is there a horse out here? There's nothing.
Baby chick?
Apple. Yeah.
Did you feel the hair?
No.
Real soft.
Where's Jess? Oh, there she is. Is that a cow?
That's a cat.
A cow?
It's a baby cow. It's
I
called
meant
a cat.
a baby cow. We should feel their hair. It's really soft. Feel these people.
It's a llama. Alpaca.
They're closing in 5 minutes.
Feel that hair, isn't it soft? Yeah.
They're closing in 5 minutes.
What? This?
Yeah, the barn.
Good. Really good.
Baby goat.
Like this. Down.
Woo.
Feel him, he's soft.
Look at the goat.
These are sheep.
A sheep. Yeah.
That's a goat over there. You ready?
Oh.
What are you doing? What are you looking for?
Where'd your Jeff go?
She's over there, I think.
No, I don't want to, but she's the last one out.
Where is she?
Right here. She's coming.
Aw. Let's go feel them. Let's go.
We're not allowed to pick them up.
We used to have these back home, but they keep dying because my cat ate them. And then one day I slept on one of them.
Says you can pet them, but you can't pick them up. My uncle used to.
Look right now. Look right now.
Aww.
Get away. Okay, I think this one's not going to move. I think someone's dead.
Want to pet him?
Uh-huh.
Can you get that? There we go.
Let's go check the duck.
Stretch it.